Abandonment, motivational career ship owner. Now, with the ships stuck the Gulf region, we're thinking, please, Iran, please, America, let the seafarers get out of a war zone because they were not really contracted for that. The career of shipping really is having a huge abandonment key performance indicator. We enclosed this article since COVID, then the contracts were extended, and so really started the motivational failure to keep new generations going towards shipping. Same thing is happening shore. We have such a tax burden so big that people don't want to work. I know a lot of people in Spain that they get paid for not working, and they are going to get even more pension than if they did work. This is how the systems work. Then we realize that, oh well, it is the war, it is this abandonment, it is the lack of career path. No, people get paid for not working. It's very simple. Now, within shipping, we have the same issue. Are we going to restructure the training facilities in this planet so that we have one training system from rating to captain to chief engineer? Are we going to invest in the strategic maritime schools, like for example, Panama, from 14,000 officers to 1.4 million officers? Why? Because we don't need to invest in this travel today. For example, do we have enough Venezuela seafarers to have planes? Because they have plenty petrol. Venezuela, but now in Philippines we don't have petrol in Philippines. Now these issues are very simple. Now same as shore, we can put a lot of tax to a plumber, to a fitter, to any accountant, and there's not even one. Are we going to take away the tax to zero? No, because we need to pay those 5 million people occupying 50,000 public buildings, which is 20,000 homes that could be used, but those are the ones that put the rules for the shore workers that we pay the taxes. Now same thing is within shipping. Are we going to restructure the academies, the universities, to restructure a strategic Panama and Europe and Spain? Why? Because that's where you should be the training. Well, if we put it in the wrong place, like now, we are not going to get planes to get to Europe. So if you, dear ship owner, need to have a local crew, contact us. We have the biggest database. We've been here before no one else started sailing. We were the first ones going to America and back. Thank you. Bye.